All right, so you can see we had this opportunity, this decline opportunity, open up long position, and then we go into this like unicursal energy kind of price moment here around the 2 to 3, or excuse me, the 1 to 2 o'clock hour, right? That's a unicursal, right? And then we have opportunity to close that long position, possibly open a short position. I don't think so much to open a short position because we're closing a long position and then it looks like we open higher the following day. But you see we have this failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. And then right at the close, opportunity to open up a long position, it looks like, followed by this spike, which is probably the sun card, I'd say, is why that came up. But the following day, we most likely open higher. Through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. Just making sure it's working this time. So we've got that unicursal, but we go higher, it looks like, the following day, right? And then we've got unicursal again tomorrow. I think there should be a pretty significant drop here around like 2 o'clock, give or take half hour. Hey, Robert. So I wasn't able to leave Florida yet. I'm still here. Hey, trading altitudes. I may leave tomorrow morning. It doesn't look like I am. I'm probably leaving on Sunday. I kind of missed it. I was gonna go. I pushed it a day and was planning to leave this morning, and then the weather kind of like made that not really a good idea. But so unicursal tomorrow, and a big drop there. It's possible that unicursal is the same price level, which this is kind of like the unicursal energy. Let's put that in there. No, let's just do uni. How are the chicks down there? The same way they've been since I moved away 6 months ago. Hey, space lover. But so there's that unicursal right here, and I think we'll probably see it again tomorrow. So like if we open higher, there's a success card there, which is a pretty notable move to the upside, and then it turns into decliney until about noontime, where we have this move higher and then a selling off from a crest there. And I think we probably have a lower price level on the second, it looks like. This is tricky here at the end of the day, because there's a trade opportunity in a notable drop here, but then we move back to the upside here at the end of the day. I think probably the following day is where we see like this fake out to the downside and a trade opportunity in here. The end of the day seems to be important in both the first and the second. The end of the day behaviors will stand out somehow. So I was slightly off on that peak. Interesting. So we did have that gap down. Wait, did we have the gap down? Hold on a sec. It was to the gap up, and then we dropped. I probably thought gap down there. It was hard. We had some opposing kind of energies here pulling me in either direction, but notable decline off of the gap up rather than the gap down. Notable decline, and it looks like we're probably going to see like a lower price level at the end of the day tomorrow. I'm gonna roll unless you guys have anything that you want me to take a look at. I tried to do the live at 3 and then I realized that it didn't record properly. I'll be on tomorrow. I'll probably be on every day this week, and then it looks like over the weekend I'll be leaving for Florida. Hey Conrad, I'm well, thanks. Hope you are too. So anything you guys want me to take a look at before I roll? So based on what I'm seeing for June, we're probably going to have more of this behavior to the upside. Kind of like where's the doodle? Well, I have no idea what that did. I don't know where the doodle is anymore. Great. Okay. Well, so I think we probably have kind of like, oops, what is this? How do I get out of this? We probably move, like we probably open higher, but it's still like a lower day overall. I wish I could find the doodle. Unless they got rid of it. I don't see it anymore, guys. Sorry. They changed the drawing on E-Trade, the drawing tool substantially. Maybe, is it that? Nope. Well, in any case, so we should probably have like a higher open with like, we probably see the same unicursal energy at the top of like today's high. We probably see that price level again tomorrow, but we open higher and then there's a decline. And that unicursal is really, I think we probably see a notable drop somewhere either over. If I'm wrong, then it would be overnight, and if I'm right, then probably here at the end of the day. But we should have some decline like late morning as well. And then like a move to the downside off of a crest, a pretty notable move to the downside between 2 and 3, and then in the last hour we should see a move to the upside that's really going to stand out, kind of like a whipsaw. And then this is probably a lower open. It's hard to determine with the Princess of Discs which direction we open. It's a very ambiguous card, but probably this looks like, based on the cards here and the Magus card in the theme position, that probably we see a pretty notable low here. And it looks like overall down. This might be a down day. Let me look at the overall 1 month. Yeah, it looks like a down day, the 5th. You're welcome. All right, guys, I'm going to roll. Thanks so much for watching. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. If you're new to the channel, you find the rule of karma. You find where to follow the rule of karma here on Tarot for Traders website, tarotfortraders.com. Go to the resource tab. And this is where we ask that from the profits made off the information on this channel, 5% of that be donated forward to one of these charities, ensuring abundance mentality in yourself, and 5% of it be donated back to the channel here through one of these links. That ensures gratitude mindset. And you need those two things, those two states of mind, really, to accomplish a successful manifestation. Make sure that you spend that money out of love. As long as you do that, the universe